I think it looks even better than the plan. I'm not gonna lie. So I think this is the only place Acron fooled me, because you guys did better than what you promised. I got the place in Goa and I'm so happy.
Worth bragging to your friends?
I shouldn't, but I can't help myself. So hi, I'm Sanjivani. I'm from New Delhi and I'm a lawyer.
I think most of all it's just the sense of freedom. People always come from places where they're repressed in some way or the other. They have to conform for their work, for their lives. And this is just a place, where they just want to let go and be themselves. And I think that's what Goa is to, Indians from all over the country.
Without being too intrusive, is that also what's happening in Delhi for you?
Oh yeah, sure. All the time. Yeah.
So Goa's a good break?
Absolutely.
From the conformity?
Absolutely. I'm Zubin. I work as a product manager at Zomato, and we've just bought this lovely apartment here at Acron Seawinds, Bali.
Right now, I am at Acron Seawinds. I'm in Goa in what must be one of the most beautiful locations.
I think we came here looking for various property prospects, and we were put on to this through a friend. We talked to Acron, they had a place available. They brought us here, and it was the first place we actually saw on our scouting tour, and we sort of made the decision right at that point.
So actually, I've known about Acron for quite a while now because everywhere I went, I saw their properties. I've actually stayed in a couple of Acron hotels all across Goa. It was really great, especially because we got the place during COVID. So it was really great that there was this hands-on team which could give us like video tours. And this is how you enter, and this is where you will be, and this is what your view is. And I love that. It was great, honestly.
I think the main things that one is looking for, especially when you're buying a major purchase like a house, right? Is just somebody who's really hardcore trustworthy, and somebody who's going to do enough quality work that you're never going to feel let down. And on both of these quantities, I think Acron scored really highly. Almost all my friends and family are non-Goan, so for them I think there's a very clear value proposition. Come from outside, have a seamless experience, right? On top of that, you have a highly trustworthy builder with a great brand reputation, who's built top quality products and delivered. And then once you've bought the property, there are add-on services which you can take with the same person to have your property kept safe and secure and earning a return if you want. So I think all told, it's a winner's recipe for anyone.
Buying a home in Goa is just made easier with Acron.
So much easier. Buying a house in Goa is made that much times easier with Acron.
Happy Acron homeowner?
Yes.
Can I get a thank you, Acron?
Thank you, Acron.